Listen, there's simply only one way to restore your headlights to brand new condition, and the secret is UV protection. Today I'm going to share with you the simple steps to restore your headlights so they look brand new. So let's dig into it. First step in this process is we want to remove all this oxidation off these headlights. We want this nice and clear before we apply our clear coat. So to do that, we're going to use 600 grit sandpaper to smooth it all out, remove all that yellowing from the headlight. Now this is my wife's car, so we're not going to remove these. We're just going to tape them off. You're going to be amazed with how well these lights turn out. They're going to absolutely look brand new. And this is not a temporary fix. This is something that's going to last for a good long time, probably about 5 years before they would start to fade. And that's an easy fix as well. You just repeat the process. Now, you might remember this vehicle. This is a vehicle we repaired this right fender on. Check out that video. I'll leave a link in the description. So first, Darius will tape off the edges so we don't sand any of the fender or the bumper cover. We'll get it all taped off, and then he'll go over it with 600 grit sandpaper on an orbital sander. Now, you could do this by hand with wet sanding paper, 600 grit wet sanding paper. It's a little bit easier to control than a DA. We'll get that all smoothed out and all that oxidation removed, and then we'll move on to the next step. So we're going to use actually 800. He's going to sand that smooth with his orbital sander. Now Darius has got this all sanded out. You can see how smooth it is. All that delamination and that yellowing of that plastic has been removed. Nice and smooth. With 800, like I said, you can use 600. Spray it down with alcohol, and this is basically what it's going to look like. That tells you if you got any yellowing left or anything like that. So now what he'll do is wash these, and then we're going to mask off this area. We're just going to mask off the headlight. I think we'll probably just pull it outside the door and then just spray clear coat on it. We're not going to mask off the whole vehicle, but I will take it outside so we don't get any overspray on the car. This gun has a 1.0 tip, so this is a new gun to me. Porphis sent this to me to try out, and I figure these headlights are going to be a perfect opportunity to test out this gun. This is a low volume, low pressure paint gun, but it's not a mini gun. It's a full-size gun with a 1.0 tip, so a minigun size tip. Now you don't have to use a compressor and a spray gun to clear coat your headlights. You can clear coat your headlights with something like this. This is a 2K Glamour Clear made by Spray Max, and there's the part number there. I'll leave a link in the description for this product. I've sprayed headlights with this product before. In fact, I sprayed an entire quarter panel with this product, and it does a fantastic job. It is a little bit pricey, but if you don't have an air compressor and you don't have a spray gun, this will get the job done. So just like the other Porphis spray guns, this thing feels really well built. I'm digging the looks of it. We'll see how it sprays. If you have a small air compressor, this is going to work well. This gun will spray fine with that small air compressor. This would be great to paint small parts, motorcycle parts. I think you could get away with like a bumper cover or a fender. You're not going to want to do multiple panels, like 2 or 3 panels, or even a hood probably, but we'll see how it sprays. I don't think you're going to want to spray those large panels with a gun like this. If you're spraying your headlights, I would recommend putting down an adhesion promoter before you put down your clear. Just for peace of mind, we're going to go ahead and spray this with an adhesion promoter. This is the U-Pole grip number 4. And we'll just let that flash off for a few minutes, and then we'll go ahead and start spraying our clear. Actually, it looks like it sprays a pretty good sized fan pattern. So the air pressure I have this at is 20 psi, full fan, and the fluid volume is wide open. Dang. Man. This gun sprays fantastic. Now this thing's got me curious. I want to paint a fender with it or something larger and see what we can do. Okay, so check out that first coat of clear. Man, it looks fantastic. Let's do the other side. Overlap about 50%. I'll start by not pulling the trigger all the way. But overall, these headlights look brand spanking new. Beautiful. Man, this is a nice gun. Now I want to spray a fender with it. So I think in the next episode or an upcoming episode, we're going to spray a fender with this. I just want to see how easy it is to spray, maybe a bumper cover even, and just see if it's feasible to do a larger panel with this gun. It sprays fantastic. I don't know the price of this gun, but I'll leave their website down in the description. They have a bunch of different great guns. I have the Porphis 627, the PRD 627 with a split tip. Fantastic gun. I've got videos on that gun. I also have the PRD 715 with the MP tip, and that's a fantastic gun as well. I really hope you found this information helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know down in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe. That helps the channel grow. I do want to let you know we have shirts available on our website, Garage Noise Gear. So I'll leave a link down in the description. You can purchase one of these shirts right here. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time on Garage Noise.